How to see what someone else likes on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So Instagram used to have a simple way to view someone's recent activity, but that feature has been removed. However, if you are curious about what post a user has liked, there is still a way, but it just takes a few extra steps. And here is how you can do it. So open the Instagram app and go to the profile of the person you are interested in by tapping their username. And once you are on their profile, you can simply tap on following and then select any users they follow. Now you can scroll through that person post and see which one the original users has liked. And if you can't see much activity, it's possible that they have disabled their show activity status in settings. You can do the same if you prefer to keep your own activity private. And here is how you can do it. So simply log into your account and then tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. And from there, you can simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner. And from there, you can simply tap on the search bar and then type show activity status. And you can simply tap on that, and here you just have to toggle off this option. And once you have disabled it, others won't be able to see when you are active, but you also won't be able to see their activity. And that's all there is to it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.